All transactions recorded through WHIMO are stored and accessible to users, allowing them to follow how products and data move through the supply chain. Over time, this data becomes a valuable resource for understanding and improving traceability. To export data for a specific transaction, tap on the download button on the top right-hand corner. The app will prompt you to choose between two options: download transaction details, which will export the complete supply chain history in a CSV tabular format, or download farm geolocation, which will download a JSON file containing all the geolocations in the chain. The mobile and web versions of the WHIMO app differ a little in layout and functionality. Transactions can only be created on the mobile app, whilst the web platform provides additional tools for managing and reviewing data. An analytics tab available exclusively on the web version provides access to a dashboard that summarizes your data. This includes a visual snapshot of your supply chain, transaction statuses, timelines, traceability metrics, and so on, presented in clear and easy to read charts. It is important to remember that the WHIMO app is not designed to guarantee compliance with regulations. Instead, it provides a practical tool to help users build traceability over time.